Hello, good afternoon, how are you? So last class we have seen the introduction of real numbers. I told you what all topics we are going to learn. So today we are going to learn the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So according to NCERT, it's a very important concept. Now we are going to see what is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So actually fundamental theorem of arithmetic talks about every composite number. What do we talk about every composite number? It's very simple. It tells that every composite number can be expressed as a product of its prime factors in a unique way apart from its order. So what do you mean by as a product of its prime factors in a unique way? I'm going to explain you now. Let us take first we should know prime numbers. So I told you the product of its prime factors. So when I tell prime factor or factors, you should know what are prime numbers. So out of 100 there are 25 primes. There are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 20, 21 and so on. So now if you see the prime numbers, what are they? 2, 3, 5, 7 and all. Now, before knowing the prime factors of 60, I'll find the factors of 60 using the factor method. When you see what are the factors of 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 16. Out of these what are prime factors? There are 3 numbers which are prime. What are they? 2, 3 and 6. So 60 will be expressed as a product of its prime factors only using 2, 3 and 5. Now you may ask, sir, unique way is very simple. They will have 2, 3, 5 only. Now what do you mean by apart from its order? Apart from its order means, if I tell about 60, someone will start prime factorization with 2, someone will start with 3, someone will start with 5. Now all the 3 methods I have shown you, and I am going to show that whatever method, whatever you start with 2 or you start with 3 or you start with 5, your answer is going to be same. Now look at the fundamental theorem of arithmetic for one number 60. Look at this. 60 start with 2, 1's place is 0. Divisibility table 2, 0 to 4, 6, 8. So 2 30 is a 60, 2 15 is a 30, 3 5 is a 50. The prime number stop. I am writing. See, 60 equals to 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 3 into 5. So it is 2 square into 3 into 5. Here I started with 2. Now I told you apart from its order means I told you that you may start with 3, you may start with 2 or you may start with 5 because there are only 3 prime factors. But 60. Now I am starting with 3, 3 20s are 2 10s are 2 5. So what I will get? 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 3 into 2 square into 5. Now someone may tell, sir, if I start with 5, what is going to happen? So we are starting with 5, 5 12 are 2 6 are 2 3. So 60 equal to 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 5 into 2 square into 3. If you see here all, whatever you see 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, 5, 2 and 3. That's what tells as a product of its prime factors. What are the prime factors of 60? 2, 3 and 5 as a product of its prime factors. But order may be different. Why? Because here it's starting with 2 square, here it's starting with 3, here it's starting with 5. So this is all about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. I hope you understand, and I am going to give you some homework questions. Question 100, question 625 and question 5100. So you people try the concept of fundamental theorem of arithmetic, then you can learn it much more better. Thank you. Have a nice day.